Now we will see prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is to express a given number as a product of its prime factors. There are two methods to get the prime factorization. First method is called division method and the second method is called factor tree method. In division method, repeatedly we will divide the number by prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. till get the quotient 1. For example, write the prime factorization of 540 by division method. Look at here 540. First of all, 540 is an even number, last digit is 0. That means it is an even number. So we will use the prime number 2 to divide this 540. When we divide this number by 2, the quotient will be 270. Here the difference from the normal division is quotient will be written at the below of the given number, at the bottom of the given number. Okay. Now the quotient will be divided by another prime number. Again we are getting it is an even number. So we will use this 2 prime number as the divisor. When we divide this 270 by 2, we will get the quotient 135. We will write this 135 at the bottom of this 270. As 135 the last digit is 5, so according to the rule of divisibility by 5, this number is divisible by the prime number 5. So we will divide it, we will get the quotient 27. Now this 27 is divisible by 3, so we will use this 3 as the prime factor to divide it. When we divide this 27 by 3, the quotient is 9. This 9 is divisible by 3. Again, we will divide it by 3. The quotient is 3. And finally, this 3 will be divided by another 3. And we will get the quotient as 1. So, we have to repeat this process of division till we are getting the quotient 1. And the second important factor, only and only prime numbers will be used to divide the number. So you have to use the prime numbers like this 2, 3, 5, 7. I think it is clear to you. Now finally we have to conclude the prime factorization of 540. So prime factorization of 540 means the product of all these prime numbers. Look at here 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 540. If we count the product of all these prime factors, we will get 540. The second method is called factor tree method. In factor tree method, we write the number as the product of a prime and a composite number, or as a product of two prime numbers. Now look at the example. Write the prime factorization of 90 by factor tree method. Look at here 90. 90 will be written as the product of 2 and 45. Here 2 is a prime number and 45 is a composite number. Now again this composite number will be written in the terms of product of one prime and one composite or prime. So 45 can be written as 5 into 9. 5 9 is 45, we know that. So 5 into 9. Here 5 is the prime number and 9 is the composite number. Then 9, we have to write this 9 in the terms of product of two prime numbers, 3 into 3. We know that 9 is equal to 3 into 3. Finally, we are getting all the prime factor. Okay. So 90, the prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 90.